Hey guys, it's Kissme and I'm back with another video, and in today's video I will be showing you guys my wash day routine using our new products from Petals. And I'm super excited about using this brand. She reached out to me recently and asked me to try her handmade shampoos and conditioners and hair products just to see how I like them, and for the most part I loved every last one of them. The first thing that I did was shampoo with the peppermint shampoo. This really cleaned my scalp really well. I loved how it felt. I loved how it smelled. It actually smelled like a peppermint, not like, you know, a strong minty smell, but like an actual sweet peppermint. And it was so nice. My hair felt so clean, and it wasn't like, it didn't feel like my hair was stripped of any like oils or anything, so that's a plus. And I went ahead and conditioned with my regular conditioner, and I just finger detangled. After I detangle with my Denman, I go ahead and rinse that out, and I'm going to go ahead and actually take a shower. So I'll be right back, you guys. So I like to dry my hair with a cotton t-shirt. If you don't have a cotton t-shirt, I would try to find like a microfiber t-shirt, something like that, or towel, and just wrap your hair around it, because this prevents your hair from ripping more. Next, I'm using the hair mayonnaise that she supplied, and this is supposed to be helping really define your curls and help your hair grow as well. It's really great for your scalp, from what I read, and my hair actually felt really nice after I finished using this. It did smell pretty healthy, and I liked everything about it. Okay, before the music in my house gets loud again, I just want to say that everything that I use for Petals is amazing, like amazing. The peppermint shampoo really got my scalp clean. I could feel it. Like, the peppermint really made it relaxing, and I know I look crazy, but it's time for me to bed. And the hair mayonnaise, which is the growth factor and is what's supposed to be helping your hair grow, definitely has a scent. I said in my last vlog that it didn't have a scent, but it does. So it's not like a strong scent. It smells like healthy. That's what I want to say. So yeah, I enjoyed everything, and I can't wait to use my hair mask. I don't usually mask on my wash days. I just make sure my scalp is really clean and moisturized. And the hair mayonnaise definitely brought some shine to my hair. It was very dull before. I'm gonna go ahead and like swoop my edges and stuff like that, and then put my scarf and bun it on, and I'm going to hit the hay. But I want to thank Jasmine for reaching out to me about their the products, and I can't wait to see what it does to my hair. My wash day is every other Friday, so every other Friday I will be trying I'll be using Petals to wash my hair, and I'm probably gonna do mask Mondays starting January 1st. So I'm gonna be using this mask for the 1st of January, and I can't wait to get it started. If you guys like this video and want to see more like this, then comment down below and subscribe, please. Subscribe, and let's get to 1K by my birthday. February 6th is my birthday, and I really want to be able to bring in the new year right and reach 1K. So if you want to see more videos like this, then hit that subscribe button. I will see you in my next video. Peace.